Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Srijit Nambiar, founder of Emulate Follicles and an SAP artist based in Bangalore. If you have ever struggled with hair loss, I'm here to tell you I have been there too. And this is exactly why I started Emulate Follicles to help people regain their confidence and fuller look, just like I did. I struggled with hair loss for more than 12 years. I first noticed my hair loss when I was in the second year of college. I still remember that day. I realized that, and it was a very big shock for me. I was confused, I did not know what to do, and it took me about 2 weeks or so for my shock to subside. Once I accepted my situation, the next step for me was what to do now. This awareness about my hair loss made me to seek solutions for my hair loss. Then I saw an advertisement one day on television about hair oil, which helps to regrow hair. And I did not waste any time and purchased it. I used the hair oil for more than 2 years, but I realized it's not working and providing any solution. Yes, it took me 2 years to realize that it is not working. That is the time I came to know the dermatologists are the doctors who take care of the hair loss issues as well. So I consulted multiple dermatologists. All gave me two products, minoxidil and finasteride. I used them for 5 years, but my bad luck, if I say that, these medical therapies were also not providing any solution for my problems. Being very angry and depressed, I decided to get the hair transplant. After my hair transplant, I eagerly waited for 8 months to get the results. But that also resulted into a spectacular failure. No density, and on top of it, the scars at the back. I found myself in a situation where if I keep my hair long, my scalp was seeking. Keeping my hair short, the scars were visible from the hair transplant. This added more frustration to my already existing thinning hair situation. During all this time, I was also researching every day about what next to try for my hair loss. I found a product called hair fiber. So I started using them to cover my hair. But it was a temporary solution. If I sweat or if I'm under the rain, it would dribble through my forehead and I could not ride bike or go to swim in the pool. And there were so many other restrictions. I was really started to feel that I'm a handicap because hair is a part of our body and I'm losing them and they're not going to come back. This was the time as part of my daily research about what next to try. I learned about SMP. I was not sure about SMP initially because every other solution was failing on me. So how can SMP be helpful? But the results which I have seen on YouTube and other platforms were very promising. Actually, all these years, I was looking for a solution which once done, I should forget about my hair loss totally. 6 months of research about SMP, and every single day I was getting more confident and closer towards SMP. After those 6 months of my research, I was 100% ready for SMP. I consulted about SMP and underwent my treatment. And that was the end of my hair loss journey. And I feel so confident, excited and happy every single day of my life. I completed my SMP trainings from the global SMP training providers, Scalp Logic in US, Scalp Culture in Bangkok, and Creative Scalps in the UK. I completed from the basics, fundamentals to the masters in SMP. Their mentorship were very crucial for me to master the skills, precision and artistry of scalp micropigmentation. I've been working in the SMP industry from 6+ years and I'm proud to say that I have treated 1,000+ clients across India with this ultimate solution of scalp micropigmentation and helped them conquer their hair loss issues. After SMP tell me I should have done that long back. They feel so different. Their body language changes. From being always worried and covering their hair loss to a person who is now standing tall. Their face showing that excitement of getting that new hairline and fuller look is truly a satisfaction. It is an experience which one can only feel after SMP. After many years of containing themselves in a shell due to the hair loss struggles and suddenly getting that fuller look and not to look into the mirror to see if their hair loss is true, that liberation is magical and only can be experienced after getting the SMP treatment. If you're ready to take control of your hair loss and be liberated from those hair loss worries, I would love to be part of your success story. Book your consultation with me today and let's defeat hair loss. You can contact us via our website emulatedfollicles.com and our Instagram handle is @emulatedfollicles.